What's up YouTube? Welcome back yet to another video. And today I got the Sony PlayStation 5 here and I just want to do a quick unboxing and my first impressions. And coming from someone that's been playing PC for a whole year, I'm kind of curious how the next generation consoles stack up with PC. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing. Here's the left side, console controller, back side, lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, setting games, marketing stuff. Left side is just the PS5 logo. And the box is breaking. Great. There's a tape right there. Just gotta, there you go. And there's a box inside a box. And now to open this, I apologize for the angles. It's a pretty big box, so it's kind of hard to angle it right where I can get the console. I feel like I did that wrong, but okay, whatever. That was a fail. Anyways, let's get on with the unboxing. DualSense controller, the new one. I'm really excited to try this one out. Put this aside. Power adapter. It's the same adapter that they've been using for almost like 3 generations, I think. So nothing new there. The manual that probably no one's ever gonna read. Right there. This is just a stand to have it horizontally and lay it flat instead of vertically, which I'm probably not going to use because I'm going to be having it vertically anyways. And then an HDMI cord. I wonder if this is 2.1. Doubt this is 2.1, but it's good. It's like that they have it. And now the controller itself. Woo! There we go. Yeah. Wow. That actually feels nice. Yeah. I've been a Sony fan for probably since PS2. I've had a Sony console, so I'm pretty familiar with Sony itself and the consoles, but I'm super excited for PS5 and trying it out. So without further ado, the console itself. There she is. Woo! Wow. Wow. Yeah. It's heavy and it's massive. Wow. It's all unboxed. Let me set it up and I'll give you my first impressions. All right, first impressions. I like it a lot. I played it for probably half an hour. I played the built-in game Astro's Playroom, and the console is pretty quiet, it's fast, you know, as expected for next generation console. The controller itself is amazing. It's built with a lot of cool features like adaptive trigger. It has the new touchpad. It has, you know, built-in microphone and all that. It's built with a lot of cool new features. And the new UI, at first it was confusing. For the first 10 minutes, I was mad confused on where to go and how to navigate because they don't really tell you at all when you do boot up the console. And also, speaking of booting up, it took me a while to boot up because the setup process was kind of lengthy. But after the first 10 minutes of exploring the console and the UI, I got used to it. I just feel like it's a little clustered in my opinion, but you know, that's just my opinion. But overall, I like the new setup, the new controller, the new console. Speaking about the console itself is massive. You can see right here, it is massive. I was not expecting it to be that big, but it is what it is. It is massive. For me, it doesn't really matter because I do have room for it to sit But for someone that does not have a lot of room in their room or in their living room or wherever their setup is, I can see how it could be a little troublesome. But fortunately for me, I do have the space. But it is a big console. It towers over the Xbox Series X. Like, it's massive. But yeah, that is my first impressions. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's a little short one, but I guess I wanted to give you my first impressions of unboxing, and also my first impressions of the actual console and gaming with it. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you did in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Peace. Also, PC gamers out there, the feeling of just picking up a controller, pressing the power button on the controller and just getting to a game just felt so nice. You don't have to worry about going to your launcher, you don't have to worry about your space, you don't have to worry about anything. It just felt so nice. Am I switching back to console? Maybe.